Create a Fusion composition and switch to Fusion. Add background node and connect it. Add text node. Enter the text and choose the font and size. Set the color. Move to beginning of the clip, set write on parameter to 0 and add keyframe. Go to frame 40 and set the value to 1. Add another keyframe at frame 80 and the end of the clip reduce the value back to 0. Add 2 glove nodes. Set the glove size of the second node to maximum value. Go to frame 60 and add a keyframe to the glove parameter. Move to frame 25 and reduce the value to 0.5. Set the same value at the frame 95. Add light trace node. Position the ray center in the middle of the text. Go to the beginning of the video and move the ray center to the first letter, add a keyframe. Go to frame 60 and move the center to the last letter. At the end of video, move the center back to the first letter. Open spline and smooth animation. To learn more about features of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.